Ladies and gentlemen, here is the man who will become the next WWE champion once again, and the person who will make the wrestling statement, John Cena. Yo, what up? Yo, this is John Cena. And first of all, before I begin, I'd like to give a big shout out and to a few guys that Mr. Smith wants me to introduce. Omen Man 4, who collects not only Sailor Moon dolls, but also he likes to collect other stuff, especially the Yu-Gi-Oh! Dog tag that he actually saw on his videos. And not to mention, not only that, but he also enjoys watching your X-Men collection as well. But anyway, I'll get enough about that. Now onto what happened on Monday Night Raw. Well, as you already know, excluding myself, Sheamus, and everyone else, including E. As you already know, some WWE superstars had voted no confidence on Triple H as COO on Monday Night Raw. So everyone that walked out, especially Booker T and that jerk Michael Cole, which I don't understand. But what really bothers me the most is Jim Ross. Jim Ross walking out. Well, I don't understand myself, but hopefully in the next segment of Monday Night Raw, we might have some lot of answers to be discovered, especially for what I've been hearing rumors about. Shawn Michaels, the Heartbreak Kid, may return to WWE to help Triple H out in this situation. Something that whatever WWE has planned, I can't wait. As much as I can't wait to see if I can finally get my hands on Alberto Del Rio in the rematch for the WWE title, depending on whether it be in the Survivor Series or what. Because as you can plainly tell, I don't have the belt, but sooner or later, when I do get my belt back, I'll once again say, the champ is here!